Today is September 21st, 2025. Imagine what you could achieve by the end of this year. Think about where you are right now. Maybe you feel a little stuck. Maybe you look in the mirror and don't recognize the person staring back. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel sluggish. Maybe you feel discouraged. I want you to know that feeling is completely normal, and more importantly, it is temporary. We are going to embark on a journey together, a 100-day challenge. We will break this journey down into manageable steps, focusing on 3 core pillars: nutrition, exercise, mindset. Each one is crucial, and by addressing them all, we create a balanced plan for success that supports your whole being. This guide is my personal blueprint. If I were starting from a place of feeling overweight and out of shape, this is exactly what I would do, step by step. I'm going to lay it all out for you in the clearest way possible. We'll avoid complicated jargon and confusing rules. Instead, we'll focus on simple, actionable tasks that you can integrate into your daily life immediately. Think of me as your friend and guide on this path. I believe in your ability to do this. You have the strength within you to make this change, and my role is to help you unlock it and provide a clear map for the road ahead. Let's be clear about what transformation means. It's not about chasing an unrealistic ideal you see on social media. It's about progress, not perfection. This 100-day plan is a promise you make to your future self, a promise to prioritize your health and well-being. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Let's begin this incredible journey together and see what you are truly capable of achieving. Your new beginning starts right now. The first phase of our 100-day journey, spanning roughly the first 33 days, is dedicated to mastering nutrition. Food is the fuel that powers your body and mind, and getting this right is the foundation of any successful transformation. Forget about restrictive, miserable diets. Our approach is about abundance, not deprivation. We will focus on adding nutrient-dense foods to your plate, rather than just taking things away. Think lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, healthy fats from avocados, nuts, olive oil. Hydration is another non-negotiable component of our nutrition strategy. Your body is about 60% water, and every single system depends on it to function correctly. Your goal will be to drink around 2 to 3 liters of water per day, but avoid sugary drinks, juices, sodas. The final key principle for this first phase is understanding calorie balance in a simple way. Instead, by focusing on whole foods and practicing portion control, you will naturally create a gentle calorie deficit. A simple trick is to use your hand for guidance: a palm-sized portion for protein, a cupped hand for carbs, and a thumb-sized portion for fats at each meal. This intuitive approach makes it easier to stay consistent without the stress of meticulous tracking, setting you up for long-term success. Let's make this practical. For the first week, days 1 through 7, your mission is simple. Focus on one meal at a time. Start with breakfast. Commit to eating a protein-rich breakfast every single day. 2 or 3 scrambled eggs with spinach. A bowl of Greek yogurt with a handful of berries and nuts. This will stabilize your blood sugar levels, keep you full until lunch, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. In week 2, days 8 through 14, we build on our success. Continue with your healthy breakfast. Now turn your attention to lunch. A large salad with grilled chicken, a large salad with chickpeas. Use leftovers from a healthy dinner the night before. For week 3, days 15 through 21, you know the drill. Maintain your healthy breakfast and lunch habits. Now conquer dinner. Focus on creating a balanced plate using the hand portion guide. Fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, asparagus, bell peppers. Add a palm-sized portion of lean protein. Add a cupped hand portion of complex carbohydrates. This structure ensures a well-rounded, satisfying meal aligned with your goals. In the final stretch, week 4 and beyond, days 22 through 33, refine habits and tackle snacks and drinks. Your task is to eliminate sugary beverages completely. Stick to water, stick to herbal tea, stick to black coffee. If you feel hungry between meals, reach for a healthy snack instead of processed junk. An apple with a spoonful of peanut butter, a small handful of almonds, a hard-boiled egg, some carrot sticks with hummus. This final piece solidifies your new healthy eating pattern and creates a strong foundation for the rest of the 100 days. Welcome to the second phase of your transformation. With a solid nutritional foundation in place, it's time to introduce the powerful catalyst of exercise. From day 34 to day 66, our focus will be on moving your body consistently and intelligently. The goal here is not to spend hours in the gym every day or to punish yourself with grueling workouts. Instead, we want to find a form of movement that you enjoy and can stick with. Exercise should be a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. It's about building strength, boosting your metabolism, and releasing those amazing endorphins that make you feel happy and energized. Our exercise strategy will be built on a combination of two key types of training: cardiovascular exercise or cardio, strength training. Cardio is essential for heart health and burning calories. It includes activities like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, dancing. Strength training, on the other hand, is crucial for building lean muscle mass. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. This is the secret to creating a long-term metabolic advantage, making it easier to maintain your weight loss. Many beginners feel intimidated by the idea of strength training, picturing massive bodybuilders lifting impossibly heavy weights. I want you to erase that image from your mind. Strength training can be done at home with minimal or no equipment. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, on your knees is a great start. Lunges and planks are incredibly effective for building a strong foundation. Consistency will always be more important than intensity, especially at the beginning. Let's put this into a simple, actionable plan. In your first week of this phase, which covers days 34 to 40, your goal is to simply move your body intentionally 3 times. I recommend starting with low-impact cardio. This could be a 30-minute brisk walk outside or on a treadmill. Put on your favorite music or a podcast and just enjoy the process. Schedule these 3 sessions in your calendar right now. For example, you might choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 30 minutes each. In the following week, which is days 41 to 47, we will maintain our 3 cardio sessions and introduce 1 day of full-body strength training. You can do this at home. A simple routine could look like this: 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions of bodyweight squats, 3 sets of push-ups, do as many as you can, even if it's against a wall. 3 sets of 10 lunges per leg, and holding a plank for 30 seconds, repeated 3 times. This workout shouldn't take more than 20 to 30 minutes. Now you are working out 4 days a week, combining cardio for fat burning and strength training to build that crucial muscle. As we move into the next 2 weeks, days 48 to 61, it's time to increase the frequency and challenge just a little. We will aim for 5 days of activity per week. On your cardio days, try to increase the intensity slightly. Maybe you walk a little faster, or you incorporate some small hills into your route. For your strength training days, you can either try to do a few more repetitions of each exercise or add a 4th set. In the final days of this phase, days 62 to 66, we solidify our routine. You should now be comfortable with your schedule of 3 cardio sessions and 2 strength sessions per week. This is a sustainable, effective plan that balances calorie burn with muscle building. Pay attention to how your body feels. You should feel energized by your workouts, not depleted. Remember to listen to your body and take a rest day when you need one. Rest is when your muscles repair and grow stronger. You have successfully built a consistent exercise habit that will serve you for the rest of the 100 days and beyond. We have now reached the final, and perhaps most important phase of our 100-day challenge, mastering your mindset. From day 67 to the finish line, we will focus on the internal work that makes all the external changes stick. You can have the perfect nutrition plan and the most effective workout routine, but without the right mindset, long-term success will be a constant struggle. Your thoughts create your feelings drive your actions determine your results. This phase is about training your brain just as we've trained your body, building mental resilience, self-compassion, and unshakable belief in yourself. A crucial aspect of a strong mindset is shifting your identity. You are no longer someone who is trying to lose weight. You are now a healthy person. You are an individual who makes choices that honor your body and well-being. This isn't about faking it, it's about stepping into the reality you have been building for the past 66 days. You eat nutritious food because that's what healthy people do. You exercise regularly because that's what active, strong people do. This internal identity shift makes healthy choices feel natural and automatic, rather than like a chore you are forcing yourself to complete. We must also learn to navigate setbacks with grace. Over a 100-day period, perfection is impossible. There will be a day when you eat a piece of cake at a birthday party, or a day when you are too tired to work out. In the past, you might have seen this as a failure and given up entirely. This is what we call the all-or-nothing mindset. We're going to replace it with a progress, not perfection mindset. One off-plan meal or one missed workout does not derail your journey. The key is what you do next. Acknowledge it without judgment, and get right back on track with your next healthy choice. Finally, we will cultivate an attitude of gratitude and self-compassion. Let's put these powerful mindset principles into daily practice. Starting in the first week of this phase, days 67 through 73, I want you to begin each day with a simple 5-minute ritual. Before you check your phone or let the day's stress in, take a moment for yourself. Sit quietly and think of one thing you are grateful for about your body or your health journey. I'm grateful for my legs that allow me to walk. I'm proud that I stuck to my plan yesterday. Then, state your new identity out loud. I am a healthy, strong person. During the next week, days 74 through 80, we will focus on building resilience to setbacks. Create a get-back-on-track plan. Write down on paper exactly what you'll do if you have an off-plan moment. If I eat something that isn't on my plan, I will not feel guilty. I will enjoy it. My very next meal will be a healthy, balanced one. If I miss a planned workout, I will not skip the whole week. I will do it the next day, or pick back up on my next scheduled day. Having a pre-made plan removes panic and guilt. A simple, manageable blip. In the following weeks, days 81 through 93, we practice celebrating non-scale victories. Your weight on the scale is only one measure and can fluctuate daily. To stay motivated, focus on other wins. At the end of each week, take out a journal and write down at least 3 non-weight improvements. My clothes fit better. I had more energy to play with my kids. I slept through the night. I can lift a heavier weight than before. This trains your brain to see the full spectrum of positive changes. As you enter the final week, days 94 through 100, your mindset practice is visualization. Each morning, close your eyes for a few minutes. Vividly imagine yourself on day 101. Picture how you will feel, the energy you will have, the confidence in your posture, the pride in your accomplishment. This mental rehearsal doesn't just feel good, it strengthens neural pathways tied to your new identity, making it easier to act in alignment with your goals and finish strong. As we enter the final weeks of our 100-day challenge, it's time to integrate all 3 pillars, nutrition, exercise, and mindset, into a seamless, powerful daily routine. By now, you have built a strong foundation. Healthy eating is becoming second nature. Your body is stronger and more energetic from consistent exercise. Your mind is fortified with resilience and self-belief. This final stretch is not about introducing new, drastic changes. Instead, it's about consistency, refinement, and enjoying the incredible momentum you have built. You're in the home stretch and the finish line is in sight. Your daily routine should now feel structured, but not rigid. You wake up and perform your 5-minute mindset ritual. You fuel your body with a protein-rich breakfast. Throughout the day, you stay hydrated and make conscious, healthy choices for lunch and for snacks. You look forward to your scheduled workout and enjoy a balanced dinner, and take a moment to reflect on your non-scale victories. This is no longer a challenge, it is simply your lifestyle. During this period, you might encounter a weight loss plateau where the scale doesn't seem to move for a week or two. This is a completely normal part of any transformation journey. Your body is adapting to the changes. Do not get discouraged. This is where your strong mindset comes into play. Trust the process. Sometimes a small tweak is all it takes. Trying a new type of exercise, adding more vegetables to your meals, is all it takes to break through a plateau. Most importantly, take a moment to look back at where you started on day 1. Think about the person you were 80 or 90 days ago. Acknowledge the incredible distance you have traveled. You have built discipline, resilience, and a deep connection with your body. You have proven to yourself that you can follow through on a promise. This final stretch is your victory lap. Every healthy meal you eat, every workout you complete, and every positive thought you cultivate is another step solidifying the new, healthier, happier you. Finish strong, not because you have to, but because you have earned it. Congratulations. You have made it today, 101. The person looking back at you is different, not just on the outside, but on the inside as well. You have fundamentally transformed your relationship with food, exercise, and most importantly, with yourself. Your new horizon is waiting.